We all know the feeling of being stuck with slow muscle growth, despite hard work at the gym. Most people don't realize that the real culprit might be low testosterone levels, a powerful hormone that fuels muscle gains and accelerates fat loss. Without optimal testosterone, even the best training routines may leave you plateaued, unable to reach your full potential. But here's the game changer. It's possible to naturally boost testosterone without injections or medications. Today, we'll dive deep into the hidden ways to elevate testosterone through lifestyle, diet, and strategic training. Welcome to Levitas. Testosterone is a primary hormone when it comes to muscle growth, strength, and overall vitality. Known as the male hormone, it's a crucial hormone for both men and women, though levels differ significantly. Testosterone aids muscle protein synthesis, a vital process where protein cells rebuild and strengthen muscle tissue after stress, like weightlifting. Higher testosterone levels mean more effective muscle recovery and growth, leading to stronger and more defined muscles. Additionally, testosterone helps preserve lean muscle mass, which is essential not only for appearance, but for metabolic health and strength as well. Muscle is a metabolically active tissue, meaning it burns calories even at rest, so maintaining or building muscle mass helps keep metabolism up, making fat loss easier too. But here's the catch: as we age, testosterone levels naturally decline, potentially reducing muscle density and slowing recovery. That's why understanding how to boost testosterone naturally becomes crucial for anyone serious about quicker and lasting gains, as well as healthy muscle preservation. What fat does to your testosterone levels? Body fat percentage plays a big role in regulating testosterone levels, and not in a good way. High body fat can lead to an increase in aromatase, an enzyme that converts testosterone into estrogen. When body fat is high, especially around the abdomen, more testosterone is converted into estrogen, leading to a decline in testosterone levels. This drop weakens the body's ability to build and retain muscle, making muscle growth slow and recovery longer. High body fat also causes chronic inflammation, which stresses the body and further disrupts testosterone production. Fat cells themselves release pro-inflammatory molecules that suppress testosterone, creating a cycle that's hard to break. Essentially, high body fat promotes hormonal imbalance, where testosterone production is hampered, while estrogen levels rise. This hormonal shift decreases motivation, energy, and the ability to build lean muscle, which is why reducing body fat is one of the first steps toward boosting testosterone and promoting a more favorable environment for muscle growth. So, what are the best methods to improve testosterone? To naturally improve testosterone, lifestyle changes that optimize physical activity, rest, and nutrition are essential. Firstly, exercise is one of the most effective ways to boost testosterone, especially strength training. Compound movements like squats, deadlifts, and bench presses increase the demand on large muscle groups, prompting the body to produce more testosterone. Sleep is another critical factor. Testosterone levels follow a circadian rhythm, peaking during sleep, especially in the deeper stages. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep to ensure your body has the time it needs to regenerate and release adequate testosterone. Nutrition also plays a big role. Ensure your diet includes adequate protein, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates when needed. Testosterone is derived from cholesterol, so incorporating sources of healthy fats, like extra virgin olive oil, eggs, and avocados, helps support its production. In addition, managing stress levels through mindfulness or relaxation techniques is essential, as chronic stress leads to elevated cortisol, a hormone that reduces testosterone. Adopting these habits keeps testosterone levels in an optimal range, which in turn fuels muscle growth, energy, and mental well-being. High-intensity interval training, also known as HIIT, is a powerful tool for boosting testosterone levels naturally. HIIT involves short bursts of intense exercise followed by rest periods, which encourages your body to produce more testosterone and growth hormone. This spike in anabolic hormones helps improve muscle growth and fat metabolism. Research shows that HIIT can increase testosterone more effectively than longer, moderate-intensity exercise, making it a time-efficient way to enhance results. To maximize testosterone release with HIIT, aim for exercises that use large muscle groups, like sprints, kettlebell swings, or jump squats. Perform these moves at your maximum capacity for 20 to 30 seconds, followed by a rest of 20 to 30 seconds, and repeat for 15 to 20 minutes. Limit HIIT sessions to 2 to 3 times per week to prevent burnout, as too much intense exercise without enough rest can actually lower testosterone. Balance HIIT with recovery days, as the testosterone boost continues even after the workout, allowing you to gain more from each session. Certain foods are known to boost testosterone production naturally, providing your body with the essential nutrients to support hormone health. Foods rich in healthy fats, high-quality proteins, and certain vitamins and minerals are key to maintaining optimal testosterone levels. Fatty fish, like salmon and tuna, contain omega-3 fatty acids, which help reduce inflammation and support testosterone synthesis. Eggs, specifically the yolks, are another excellent choice, as they are rich in healthy fats and cholesterol, both of which are precursors to testosterone. Dark leafy greens, like spinach and kale, are high in magnesium, a mineral associated with testosterone production. Avocados are rich in healthy monounsaturated fats, which not only provide energy, but also support testosterone levels by supplying the body with the cholesterol needed for hormone synthesis. Oysters and other shellfish are also testosterone-boosting powerhouses, due to their high zinc content. Zinc is an essential mineral for testosterone production and helps maintain its levels. By incorporating these foods into your food plan regularly, you provide the body with the nutrients it needs to sustain healthy testosterone levels naturally, supporting better muscle growth, energy, and overall vitality. Okay, we get it, you want to boost testosterone even more. So, what are the best supplements to increase testosterone? Also, supplements can be an effective way to boost testosterone when combined with a healthy diet and exercise routine. 4 key supplements come to play. Betaine, vitamin D, zinc, and magnesium are known to support testosterone levels in unique ways. Betaine, derived from beetroot, supports muscle growth by enhancing protein synthesis, indirectly supporting testosterone by improving muscle strength and mass. Vitamin D, often called the sunshine vitamin, is vital for testosterone production. It functions as a hormone in the body, and low levels of vitamin D are directly linked to lower testosterone. Supplementing with vitamin D, especially if you have limited sun exposure, can help maintain testosterone levels. Zinc is another critical mineral for testosterone synthesis, as it regulates enzymes involved in its production. Low zinc levels can lead to a sharp decrease in testosterone, so supplementation may help fill any nutritional gaps. Magnesium also plays a key role, especially for active individuals. It enhances bioavailability of testosterone, allowing the body to use it better. Magnesium also supports relaxation and quality sleep, both of which are important for testosterone production. Incorporating these supplements in balanced amounts can give an added boost to your testosterone levels, fueling better muscle gains, energy, and overall health. In conclusion, testosterone is a cornerstone of muscle growth and maintenance, influencing everything from muscle repair to metabolic health. It drives protein synthesis, the process essential for building muscle strength and resilience, and helps maintain lean muscle mass, which supports a higher metabolic rate and aids in fat loss. However, as we age, testosterone levels naturally decline, slowing muscle recovery and reducing muscle density, which makes understanding the ways to boost it even more valuable. Carrying high body fat disrupts testosterone production by increasing aromatase activity, which converts testosterone into estrogen, and causes chronic inflammation that further reduces testosterone. Lifestyle changes targeting physical activity, proper sleep, and balanced nutrition are crucial for maintaining healthy testosterone levels. HIIT workouts, in particular, are highly effective due to their impact on anabolic hormones, which aid in fat metabolism and stimulate muscle growth. The right foods, rich in healthy fats, proteins, and key minerals like zinc and magnesium, further support testosterone by providing necessary building blocks, while targeted supplements such as vitamin D and magnesium enhance testosterone synthesis and bioavailability. Together, these strategies offer a natural, holistic approach to maximizing testosterone levels for optimal muscle gains, recovery, and overall health. Thank you for tuning in to Levitas. Please share today's video with friends and family, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos. Your support is appreciated, it helps us grow and create more content to empower your health. Remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice on your health and fitness journey. So, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.